guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. Today's video is, as you can see right next to me, is unboxing the Elemis advent calendar. Now this is my very first advent calendar for Elemis. I have been wanting this advent calendar for so long now. It is unreal. Last year I wanted to try and get it, but I couldn't afford it, so I thought, you know what, I'll see what I can do next year. And I finally got my hands on it and I absolutely love it. So before I delve into this, I just want to say that I have already looked inside every single door, because obviously it's my very first Elemis advent calendar and I wanted to see what's inside. I've never had this one before. I absolutely love it. I just want to show you the design of it as well. It looks so beautiful. I have asked Nathan, as always, to pick out 5 numbers at random so I can unbox 5 boxes for you guys to give you a little sneak peek of what's inside this advent calendar. Everything you need to know about this advent calendar will be in the description box below. I will leave the Elemis advent calendar website in the description box below and the price. So this advent calendar is priced at £199. I actually got it done on Zilch, I think it is. It's either Zilch or ClearPay I actually done this, so obviously it's a little bit cheaper and it works out cheaper, even though you are paying £199 at the end of it. But at least you're not paying £199 for the full price, and you can pay little bits as you want. As you can tell, I'm so excited for this. Like I said, I wanted it last year but couldn't afford it, so I finally managed to grab my hands on it. This is my second advent calendar so far. I have pre-ordered the Look Fantastic one and the glossy box as well, so when the money comes out for them, they will come out. So then I will have 4 in total, and then I'm going to try and get my hands on the Beautyworks one like I did last year, and the Pretty Little Thing one as well like I did last year. So I think in total I should have about 5, maybe 6. Yeah, so last year I had 5. This year I think I'll probably end up having 6, but I absolutely love them. I actually prefer these better than the normal advent calendars you get, because you get beauty products instead of chocolates. I love chocolate, don't get me wrong, but I love beauty products more. So if any of you actually get this beautiful Elemis advent calendar, it does come with its own little cover sleeve, which obviously I took off for this video because otherwise I won't be able to show you what the advent calendar looks like. So this is the Elemis, the Ultimate Skincare Advent Calendar, 25 days of skin joy. I absolutely love these. Now on the back, it is literally got everything written down, what's inside. You get full-size products in here, you get mini-size products. There is products in here that I've had before that I love. And there's a few products in here that I've never even tried, which are the new ones, so I'm so excited to try them around December time. Come December time, I don't know whether to vlog it or not. This is where I need your guys' help. Now, do you guys love that kind of vlogging style where I showed you from day 1 to Christmas Day of what I got inside, or do you just want pictures and stuff on Instagram? Either way, there will be pictures on my Instagram. My Instagram handle will be in the description box below for you guys as well. And all of my pictures will be in their own individual tabs. So if you just want to see Elemis, then go onto my Instagram, click on the Elemis little tab, and you see all the products there from Elemis that I have got. It's exactly the same for like my glossy box, my Look Fantastic. Anything that I have purchased and you want to see again, just go onto my Instagram, go onto the tabs that you can see, and it's all on there. I don't know, like I said, I might do the vlog of opening all the doors up for December, but I need your guys' help with that. Anyway, let's get on unboxing this. So this is what the beautiful Elemis advent calendar looks like. I absolutely love it. I love the style of it. I love the pattern. It's absolutely beautiful. So I have asked Nathan for 5 random boxes. So let's get on to unboxing the first box. As always, if anyone has this Elemis advent calendar and do not want any spoilers, please switch off now or just skip straight to the end. If you are umming and ahhing whether to get this advent calendar or not, but still want the spoilers, then keep on watching. So the first box I'm looking for is number 8. Where is number 8? See, where all the numbers exactly the same print as the designs on the box, it's really hard to see. First one is number 8. So in this box we have Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. Now I have had this before, so I absolutely love this. I think I did have 3 bottles, but now I'm on to my last bit of them, my second one. So I'm so glad I've got that. And it smells incredible as well, by the way, guys. All the Elemis products smell incredible. It smells like a spa, and I absolutely love them. So the next box I'm looking for is number 2, which is right up here. So we have a Elemis Pro Collagen Night Cream. I've never had the night cream before, so that will be excited to use. So this is what all the products look like. They're all like little mini sizes as well, and you do get full size products in here as well. Then the next box I'm looking for is number 1. Where's number 1? There it is, down at the bottom. So this box we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Now I absolutely love this. I've basically got exactly the same as this. I'm almost out of it. So this is what it looks like. If you've not used the balm before, I highly recommend. Oh, it looks so nice. Oh, it smells incredible now. Yeah, I highly recommend cleansing balm as well. They are good for getting off makeup off your skin, or if you're just having a nice little pamper day, just popping this onto your skin. Obviously wet your face first, then pop this on, and it goes all like nice and foamy, and then when you take it off, it leaves your skin so nice and soft, and I absolutely love it. So that is that box. Then I've got 2 more boxes to show you, which is the next one, which is going to be number 25. Obviously that's Christmas Day. In this box you get a full size product, and you get the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I've got the mini version of this and the little tubes. I absolutely love it, and I'm almost out. And I'm so glad I've got the full size product. Camera's not focusing, there we go. Full size product of it. Like I said, I've got the mini tube and the mini pot of this, and I'm almost out. So I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, it smells incredible. I love that. And it's got like the Elemis on the actual lid as well. So that is box number 25. And the last box that I'm going to show you is box number 17, which is this one right here. And in this one, which is the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial, I have not had this before. I can't wait to actually use it. So that's what it looks like, so you guys can see. And it's in a beautiful pink tube as well. I have got a couple of, I think it's like the moisturiser primer kind of one, which I think they're in an orange tube, and I think I've got about 3 of them, but I've never had this before, so I'm so excited to actually use this. And obviously it's got the little seal on, so I can't expect you to smell it. But yeah, that has been 5 boxes at random from the Elemis Advent Calendar. I absolutely love this Advent Calendar. I absolutely love Elemis products anyway. They smell incredible, but to have the Advent Calendar is just amazing. Like I said, I was meant to get this last year, but I couldn't afford it. So I was actually so happy that I could get it this year. like I said, it helped me so much when I got it on Zilch as well, because it saved me a bit of money and I ain't paying it outright. If you do want this advent calendar, then it costs £199. You can pay it by Zilch and ClearPay, and I think you can do it on Klarna as well. I'm not too sure about that, but I don't really use Klarna. But you'll have to have a look on Elemis website to see where you can actually purchase this from, and you can actually buy it outright as well. So everything you need to know about this beautiful Elemis advent calendar will be in the description box below for you guys, including all the price. I absolutely love this, and I'm so happy I'll be able to get it. Do you know what? I can't wait for December now. The more advent calendars I get, the more excited I get, because if you guys know, I love Christmas. I'm a Christmas girl anyway, so every time I get my new advent calendars, I get more and more excited for Christmas. So I'm going to love you and leave you here. As always, if you have enjoyed today's video, give it a like, comment and subscribe. Like I said, everything about Elemis advent calendar will be in the description box below for you guys, so go and check that out. If there is any other videos that you guys would like to see, then please let me know in the comment section below. I answer all your comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.